Firstly, I would recommend an external mobile antenna fitted by a professional. This is done, as you can see with this one. It goes through the roof and up onto the roof of the actual motorhome to connect to the antennas. White box is a portable device but also connects to this black box, which then provides the extra signal strength from the antenna by these two cables that go straight to the antenna. You can pull it off and use it as a separate Wi-Fi dongle. On the black box, it can also be powered via the 12 volt leisure battery in your motorhome, and you can remove the Wi-Fi dongle whenever you wish to use it outside of the motorhome and use it anywhere else. Now that you've had the main unit fitted into the motorhome, you need to take the white box or the dongle itself in whatever model you purchase, and you'll need to turn it on and have a SIM and a full battery charged, ready to go. First of all, to get into it, most dongles you have access to the back, and this you need to pop off the back of the device to be able to access the battery compartment and the SIM compartment. As you can see, it will have other information on there like your SSID and Wi-Fi information, but also it will have the SIM card slot. In there you need to place the SIM that you've purchased and put it into a slot the right way around. In this video I will show the wrong way to put it, because as you can see in the slot there's the contacts underneath the silver plate. That gold part of the SIM needs to be placed so it actually makes contact with the contacts. If you put it in this way around, so it's not having the gold part of the SIM touching the gold pins underneath, you will not get signal and the SIM card will not work. Once you have placed it in correctly, then the device is ready to go. You'll need to place the battery back into its compartment like here, and make sure that the power pins are matching where they are on the battery, and it should slot in quite easily into the actual device. Place the back on to the unit. Again, you just make sure that it's in the right position. That's how you've taken it off, and then it should pop back on fine with a couple of forced snaps. But then once it's done, you'll find the power button on the top or the side of your device. Press and hold. This will then start up the unit, and after a few minutes the SIM card will start to register with the network, whether it's on the unit in the motorhome or on its own, as it can be a device itself. I recommend the EE Business SIM. You can get this on Amazon. Please take a look at the links below, as I have found with our narrowboat that EE seems to be the best coverage signal around the UK, and the link for this is in the description of the video.